on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Facade get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. I got a show where she dipping them nails. I'm flipping my L's, I know they can tell. I did it too major, they hit me for favors. Been him since the cable was cut in the cradle. What's up, only right that I do it. Colossal until I'm a boss, so they want me to fail. Look, we prevail. I'm on your tail. Know that they talking, they telling them tales. It's not hard to tell.
To it. I mean, with the OEM pipe still on here, you're not going to get that much out of it, but you can hear that turbo really loud. I'm used to the Magnaflow muffler, so I can't really tell too much. Most definitely sound like it still has cats. I have no check engine light on. I've been driving around for a couple days, none whatsoever. You can hear my turbo, my intake, really good. Now I was trying to drive this in low to see if I can get it to crack and pop, but I was definitely not going to get no crackle and pops right now. You gotta know how to do it too, and warmed up and everything. But it sounds really good, and I noticed that the car is more responsive. So maybe that restrictive exhaust, I don't know, maybe it's helping with that low end power. But it is. It doesn't sound like it doesn't have any cats on it, I can tell you that much. I guess it's because the resonator, the vibrant resonator I have, that's also on there. So that could be also the reason why it's not so obnoxious. But I'll see if I can get it tuned again. Actually, I should do a data log right now. I'll pull over and record a data log real fast because I'm going to be heading into some traffic. So let me just do a record data log. still can smell the oils burning on the downpipe. So I'll give it a few weeks. And it doesn't smell like gas. It smells more like just oil, WD-40. But the car is really responsive. It's got a lot of I don't know, down low. Actually, I feel like doing like I don't want to go too crazy, man. Let me give this car some time to get used to this. Maybe the ECU hasn't, I don't know. I can't really speak on that, but it does sound good, man. Throw it in neutral real quick. Most definitely shooting no flames out of this thing right now. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. If you want to, you can share it with your friends. The windows up, this is what it sounds like in the cabin. Not bad. I get a little bit of crackle sound. Now it sounds kind of like a Chevy Malibu when you take off the resonator and the muffler or something like that. When you do a muffler delete on a Chevy Malibu. So yeah, man, I'm impressed with it. Once I upgrade the up pipe, and you know, I want to see what happens to the car, because this is a 3-inch downpipe, so that 2.5-inch up pipe, and maybe do a custom catback with the muffler that I already have, or go to ZZP, but I'm not sure. I mean, I can probably save a lot more money by just getting them to cut out and custom making it for me, because all I gotta do is just cut and weld some pieces, install the up pipe, and I'll be good to go. All right, guys, so see you guys next time.